అక్బరుద్దీన్ ఓవైసీ గారు చెప్పారు అధ్యక్ష. ఓల్డ్ సిటీకి మెట్రో ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది, వస్తుందా లేదా అని అడిగారు అధ్యక్ష. నా వాదన వల్లనే మెట్రో వచ్చింది, ఈరోజు మా ఓల్డ్ సిటీకే రాలేదని బాధపడ్డారు. अकबर साहब, आपको तो पता है पिछले 6 महीनों से मेट्रो चल नहीं रही थी. हाल ही में शुरू हुआ 7 तारीख को, तो अभी रुक के चल रही है. और उनके तरफ से भी कुछ रिक्वेस्ट हमारे पास पेंडिंग है L&T की तरफ से, क्योंकि उनका भी बहुत फाइनेंशियली बहुत नुकसान हुआ पिछले 6 महीनों में. तो एक रिक्वेस्ट भी हमारे पास पेंडिंग है, तो ज़रूर उनको बुला के बात करके उस मीटिंग में आपको भी बुलाएंगे. कब तक होगा, कैसे करेंगे, ये ज़रूर आप ही के सामने हम लोग तय करेंगे. और मैं वादा करता हूँ इस टर्म में ज़रूर आपको ओल्ड सिटी हैदराबाद पार्लियामेंट को ज़रूर जो वादा किया गया सीएम साहब की तरफ से, उस वादे को निभाएंगे और ओल्ड सिटी में आपको मेट्रो बिल्कुल दिखेगा. इस बात पे आप बिल्कुल शेक नहीं करना चाहिए आपको. मैं फिर से एक बार बोलता हूँ.
Honorable Speaker, sir, through you, first of all, I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister Saab, because when the discussion was on about municipal administration, sir, and about GHMC and other municipality, at that time, myself and Mr. Srinivas Yadav Saab and also Itala Rajendra Saab had gone and requested Honorable Chief Minister Saab regarding GO 59 and also regarding the notarized document and the building regularization and the layout regularization. And 3 of us requested Honorable Chief Minister Saab regarding the rates which have been fixed, and we requested that the rates needs to be reduced. For that, Honorable Chief Minister Saab had said, give a representation and for sure I will reduce the rates. So I, through you, thank the Honorable Chief Minister Saab for assuring us that he will reduce the rates for all, sir. In particular, notarized documents के जो थे, उस पे Chief Minister साहब ने कहा कि जो भी notarized documents है, जब जो लिए थे, उस रेट के हिसाब से ज़रूर उसको कम करने के लिए consider करेंगे. So for that, I thank the Honorable Chief Minister Saab for accepting our representation and giving us a hearing here, and also agreeing to the request made by us, sir. So secondly, I would like to thank the Honorable Minister for Municipal Administration, Mr. K.T. Ramarao Sahab, for accepting our request for calling for a meeting and at the same time addressing all the issues which has been raised by me. And I hope that all the issues which have been raised will be attended, and very soon we'll see the old city changing and becoming same like the high-tech city or other cities. And I hope that all, one request which I want to make is that GHMC earlier used to have some job melas also. So again, if we could have some job melas, and at the same time, for empowerment of women, many programs were there in GHMC. I hope that the same empowerment programs will also be taken up. I thank you very much, and I thank Honorable Minister Saab for giving the replies to all the question and issues raised by us, sir. Thank you very much.